Hello everyone, welcome back to the Xiaomi Theme Hub YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm bringing you another set of Chinese themes designed for international Xiaomi devices. Let's start with the first theme. This theme features a lively lock screen with a clock widget that has a stunning appearance effect. On the lock screen, we can swipe down to access the theme customization menu. The theme includes 3 clock widgets and 4 default wallpapers in a minimal style. The small switches below allow you to change the clock color from light to dark or vice versa. In addition, we can also change the lock screen wallpaper to a personalized style. To do this, open the Themes app and go to the lock screen customization section. We need to take one more step to enable the personal wallpaper by using this toggle switch. Here is the name of the theme on the China theme store. Let's move on to the second theme. This one comes with a fairly simple style. It features an application icon pack designed in the style of Meizu smartphones. A cute little animation effect that transforms back into a pig character. To change the lock screen wallpaper, we also need to go into the theme customization section. And here is the name of the theme on the Chinese theme store. The next theme comes with vibrant colors and a multicolored icon pack. On the lock screen, there are quite a few customization options available when you tap the settings gear icon in the top left corner. Three clock styles and 3 default wallpapers. To change the lock screen wallpaper to a personal style, we will also go to the theme customization section. Turn on this switch to activate the personal image. And this is the name of the theme on the Chinese theme store. All 3 themes are included in the backup file in the video description. You can use the backup file to restore it on your Xiaomi global device. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.